This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Doremus. This airy 3/2 home sits in a family-oriented neighborhood with no HOA or rental restrictions. Calling all investors. Spacious, fenced-in backyard. The extra-large pool is ready for summer fun and entertaining. Kitchen features a gas stove. Ideal for all you chefs. Money-saving gas water heater. Parks, schools, shopping and dining just moments away. Cash only. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Doremus at 561-981-9400.